This is part 3 of my Christmas haul, and these presents I'm going to show you I got for my sister. So yeah. Okay, first up I got this pink fizzy bath shop. So it's for the bath. I love pink and blue. As you can see, they just go so well together. Okay. Next I got this mini donut bath bomb. Bath bomb. Bath bombs. Oh, what? Bath bombs. Oh, wait, what? Okay, guys, I literally can't remember how do I say it. But mini donut bath bombs. I don't know, but yeah, I got this. Next, okay, so but it's a like I'm gonna show you now. Okay, I got this puzzle. This amazingly puzzle, and stay tuned for part 4. It's gonna be in January. So January. Yeah, it's gonna be there. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.